confused about whether you should refer to Form 26 AIS or Annual Information Statement, that is AIS, while filing your income tax returns? Well, watch this video till the end to put an end to your confusion and learn about the difference between Form 26 AIS and AIS. Hi everyone, I'm Maishri from Clear. We have assisted more than 80,000 tax experts and 6 million tax filers. To subscribe to support us and get a clear explanation of finance concepts. Currently, Form 26 AIS primarily displays details of TDS or TCS transactions, property purchases and high-value investments carried out during the financial year. But the Annual Information Statement, that is AIS, is much more detailed statement. It includes savings account interest, purchase and sale transactions of securities or immovable properties, foreign remittances, interest on deposits, etc. You can find all your financial information in aggregate form as well as individual transactions wise. So for example, if XYZ Bank has credited rupees 1,700 in your account as savings account interest and rupees 42,000 for interest on deposits during the financial year, then Form 26 AIS will only display rupees 42,000 deposit interest details on which TDS is deducted. But if you check your Annual Information Statement, it will show you both the transaction details. In addition, you can also see the source bank account details in the AIS statement. That is, you can see the bank name, bank account number, account type, etc. Similarly, an Annual Information Statement will display all other financial information of the relevant financial year such as rent received, salary, dividends, etc. So, the Annual Information Statement comprehensively covers TDS or TCS transactions, significant financial transaction information, taxes paid details, demand or refund details, and other information. However, if the taxpayer has to verify GST turnover based on the details furnished in Form GSTR-3B, it is visible only in Form 26 AIS. AIS does not capture GST details. In case of variation in the TDS or TCS or taxes paid information displayed in Form 26 AIS and that displayed in Annual Information Statement, the taxpayer may rely on the information displayed in Form 26 AIS for return filing. However, if you have already filed your income tax return and have found additional information in AIS, you can revise it based on the information displayed in AIS. Let's now look at the steps to download the AIS and TIS. To access your Annual Information Statement, that is AIS, log in to the Income Tax e-filing portal at www.incometax.gov.in. Go to the Services tab and click on Annual Information Statement. Now click on the Proceed button to get redirected to the AIS homepage. In the Compliance portal, you can view Taxpayer Information Summary, that is TIS, and Annual Information Summary, that is AIS, on the AIS homepage. You can now select the relevant financial year and you can view the Tax Information Summary or the Annual Information Statement by clicking the relevant tiles. If you want to download the Tax Information Summary or the Annual Information Statement, click on the download icon in the respective tiles. You can download the Tax Information Summary in PDF format. AIS can be downloaded in PDF or JSON formats. If you download the PDF file, it is password protected. To unlock, enter the password as a combination of the PAN in the uppercase and date of birth or incorporation in the format date, month, year without any space. For example, if the PAN is ABCDE1234A and the date of birth is 21st January 1991, your password will be ABCDE1234A21011991. The Annual Information Statement format. This is the downloaded format of AIS. You can see that all types of information are displayed. For example, for interest earned on the savings bank account, account number and type, account status, source code, the aggregate amount of interest from savings account from the said source is displayed. Similarly, you can see the information of securities sold during the year with the date of sale or transfer, security class and name, asset type, quantity, etc. It also displays the count of the transactions. If according to you the information is correct, duplicate or related to another person, etc., you can submit online feedback on the information provided in the annual information statement. Let's take a look at the Taxpayer Information Statement, that is TIS format. If we view the Taxpayer Information Summary, that is TIS, it will show an aggregate amount of similar types of information. For example, aggregate of salary from one or more employers, aggregate amount of rent received during the year, aggregate of dividend interest, etc., which are combined to present a simplified summary to the taxpayers. It shows the processed value and derived value under each information category. When you file your income tax return, you will find that the derived value in Taxpayer Information Summary is used for pre-filing of your income tax return information. After submitting the feedback on AIS, the information in Taxpayer Information Summary, that is TIS, will be automatically updated on a real-time basis. Such information will be pre-filled in the income tax return. So it is important that you download the Annual Information Statement and Taxpayer Information Summary and submit feedback on the Annual Information Statement before filing your ITR to ensure that you don't miss out on reporting any information. Did you understand the difference between Form 26 AIS, Annual Information Statement and Taxpayer Information Summary? If yes, please comment yes in the comment section below. To know how to download Form 26 AIS, log in to your Income Tax Department. On the home page, go to E-File, click on Income Tax Returns and select View Form 26 AIS in the drop-down box. Click on Conform to the disclaimer so that you are redirected to the Traces website. You are now on the Traces TDS CPC website. Select the box on the screen and click on Proceed. Click on the link at the bottom of the page. Click View Tax Credit Form 26 AIS to view your Form 26 AIS. Choose the assessment year and the format in which you want to see the Form 26 AIS. If you want to see it online, leave the format as HTML. You can also choose to download it as a PDF. After you have made your choice, enter the verification code and click on the View or Download button. This was all about Form 26 AIS, Annual Information Statement and Taxpayer Information Summary. I hope this video was helpful for you. For queries related to business or finance, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for more updates.